Are you ready to elevate your operations planning skills? Operations planning is vital for any successful business. It ensures resources are used efficiently. It focuses on meeting customer demands while optimizing costs. First, identify your operational goals. Know what you want to achieve. This could include increasing productivity or reducing waste. Next, analyze your current processes. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Understanding this allows you to pinpoint areas for improvement. Then, develop a strategic plan. Outline steps to reach your goals. This includes timelines, resource allocation, and assigning responsibilities. Make sure to incorporate feedback loops. Monitor progress regularly to make necessary adjustments. This keeps your operations aligned with your goals. Lastly, foster a culture of continuous improvement. Encourage teams to share insights and suggest changes. This promotes innovation and efficiency. For example, a manufacturing company improved its output by 20%. They implemented a new scheduling system and encouraged team feedback. In summary, clear operational goals, understanding processes, and strategic planning are key. Continuous improvement ensures ongoing success. Ready to enhance your operations planning? Start incorporating these disciplinary ideas today.